Okay, so the problem we're having is that this bracket won't connect to the latch. So what likely is going on is the latch itself is adjusted too close to the front of the tailgate. So if you look here, you can actually shift this back and forth. We've loosened up the bolts in order to do that. So if I try this with it pushed extended, I'm not going to be able to get the plunger to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this upward, and then we're going to go ahead and tighten these bolts. Just so it stays where we put it. And now I take, catching just fine.